And now, before we get started with the power rituals, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now, this is a massive opportunity, so if you're interested, make sure you click the first link in the description below. Now, my coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, Max Gerstenmaier, three accomplished internet marketers in their own right. Now, back to the review. You can grab Power Rituals in the second link in the description at any point during this video, and when you do, I'll give you 5 exceptional bonuses. Bonus number 1 explains how you can drive traffic after you purchase a PLR just like this one. It shows you how to modify and make PLR your own using tried and true strategies and techniques. Bonus number 2 shows you how to supercharge your online business with free traffic so that you can make money online. The third bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. And when you get an order for a high valued gig, as an example, buy it from someone on Fiverr at a lower price and then sell it to your buyer at a higher price. Bonus number 4, you will learn how to create a passive income. And it's a recurring passive income, and that's important to know. And bonus number 5 will allow you to supercharge your results with a evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps. And not only that, you get a high powered website, and all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now, the vendors of Power Rituals are you, Sean, and Callie Lee. Now, they're 2 prolific creators and vendors in the personal development and self-help niches. They currently have over 33,300 sales on the Warrior Plus platform alone. Now, Power Rituals will be a hit among your followers because it comes highly recommended. In a nutshell, it teaches you how to achieve results through the power of daily habits. You will discover all you need to know about strengthening powerful rituals for success, including the science behind the habits, the impact of consistent routines, and practical strategies that lead to your success. You can sell Power Rituals to those who want to achieve exceptional results through the power of daily habits and routines, develop a growth mindset and continuously strive for self-improvement, balance their professional and personal lives effectively, cultivate habits that lead to sustained success and productivity, and much, much more. You will discover with this self-help course, and you will discover more than what is identified here, but you will understand the power of habits and how they shape our lives by providing stability, structure, and significant benefits. You will explore the domino effect and the compound effect to understand how small, consistent actions lead to massive results over time. You will discover techniques for changing habits and recognizing the impact of daily decisions on habits. You'll discover the secrets of developing a mindset, such as self-discipline and positive thinking and optimism and perseverance, all supporting your journey of creating powerful rituals. And today, you will learn full responsibility of your life and understanding the importance of prioritizing yourself and practicing self-reflection. And you will find much, much more on the sales page. The chapters includes stunning graphics, like is shown here. And inside the modules, particularly Module 1, you're going to get a premium quality ebook, complete checklist, comprehensive mind map, high converting sales page, hypnotizing video sales letter, lead magnets, professional landing pages, follow-up emails, stunning graphics pack, and license certificates, plus fast action bonuses, which are critical for you as they add to the bonuses that I provide. Now, the front end starts at $13.95 and goes to $19.95 depending on when you jump in. So make sure that you jump in early so that you can get the best price. Now there are 4 OTOs. The OTO 1 is for $47. OTO 2 is for $97, and it includes a bundle package. OTO 3 relates to the installation services that they provide, and OTO 4 is a membership site. I believe it's $27 a month or $197 a year. Now watch for the downsells because there are 1 or 2 downsells. Now if you need to know more, make sure you click the second link below and get the full story. And check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. And my 5 bonuses, because they will supercharge your online business and allow you to get access to a ton of free traffic. You can buy services from Fiverr, gain a reoccurring income, earn daily income, and drive traffic after you purchase a PLR. Now, thank you for watching, folks, and we'll see you next time.